Hello everyone, this is Obapa. You are all welcome back. So in this video I'm going to share with you how to make skin glowing body butter for chocolate skin. So if you have a chocolate skin or a dark skin, this is the best body butter to try. So these are the ingredients that we are going to use. You need mango butter. If you don't have mango butter, you can use any type of skin butter that you want. You know, mango butter is very good for the skin. You also need shea butter. Shea butter is one of my favorite butters because it's easy to get in Ghana. And I buy the quality ones from the north, especially. I have somebody who brings it from the north to me. Also, you need olive oil. Olive oil too is very good for the skin. It's good for anti-aging. It has a lot of benefits. So this recipe is so simple to make because I know you have all the ingredients there to make. You also need vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil, you can't go wrong with it. It's very good for skin. It's really moisturizes the skin also. So you need fragrant oil. You can use any fragrant oil of your choice. Also, you can choose to use essential oil. It depends on you. When it comes to skin care products, if you make it yourself, you can change a lot of things, especially the ingredients are changeable in this recipe. So you add your olive oil and your shea butter and your mango butter to a glass bowl. You can also use this body butter on kiss too because it's so good for the skin. It's so good. You are going to love it. So watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you how you can make it so that it doesn't melt. So watch it to the end. So what we are going to do is to melt the butter and the oil using a double broiler method. For us to maintain the nutrients in our oils, we need to double broiler it. Don't microwave it. Just do double broiler if you can. You can microwave it if you can really monitor the temperature. So you can see it will take time to melt, but it's all good. You know, when you have a chocolate skin, that's one thing that is very beautiful. Most time when I see people who are dark skin and their skin look like chocolate, I envy them because sometimes I wish I have this kind of skin tone. Like my daughter have that kind of skin tone and I really envy her for that. Anyway, next, after your oil has melted, you add vitamin E oil to it, but you let the oil cool down before you add it because we want that nutrients too. So let the oil cool down and you add your fragrance oil or your essential oil. That's what I'm saying. All the ingredients in this recipe, you can change it by yourself. So gently stir the mixture together. So you stir the mixture very well. So one thing is that when it comes to body butter, it's very good. You don't have any chemicals in it. It's all natural. That's one thing about body butter. So especially those who use body butter, most time if you see their skin look very healthy. That's one thing I love about natural products. One thing I love, even though most time we use skin lightening products or to clear our dark spots, our blemishes and the rest, it also contains chemicals. Even though sometimes we try our best to use the natural, but you know, everything that is natural also has side effects. That's one thing that you have to know. So what I did is I placed the oil into the fridge, and after it hardened, I brought it back. So all you are going to do is to whip your body butter. This took me 10 minutes, I think so, yeah, for me to whip it. So it depends on everyone. So as I was saying, when it comes to skincare, make sure that you get the best ingredient for your recipe. You know what you are putting on your skin, and even if you are selling it to someone, make sure you provide the best ingredients in your recipe so that they will keep coming back. Because if you think you want to make money and you start selling product to people that doesn't contain the best ingredients, you will make the money, but at the end you'll be in trouble because later the same people will start talking bad about you and your business will collapse. So I always say it's better to start it with like, I don't know how to put it. It's better when you start it with the difficult times, because when you start selling natural products, it's very difficult to sell it. But when people get to know you, you don't even market yourself, people will come and buy. That's one thing. So put that thing in your mind. So as you are watching the video, after I whip it, I place it back in the fridge. I cover it and place it back in the fridge for 5 minutes. Then I brought it back to whip it again. The reason is that I don't want this body butter to melt when it's not in the fridge. So even when I don't put it in the fridge, it will never melt. So that's the reason why I freeze it again. So you keep whipping it, and now you have a nice body butter that smells so good. So next, I'm going to prepare my piping bag because I don't want to spoon it. You can spoon it into your container straight, but I decided to pipe it. That's my choice. You can choose to spoon it to your container. So I'll spoon all the butter into my piping bag before I will pipe it. So this is a requested video. I forgot the person name because I didn't write it down, but I remember that she asked me to make body butter for chocolate skin, and this is for you. I know you come and comment about it. Please, if you make this body butter, tag me on Instagram at Obapa Epia Skinny, and I will post your picture on my page and tag you, because that will make me feel so proud of myself that you two have made my recipe. Most of you have asked me to make some recipe for you for a request. Please have patience with me because I don't have some of the ingredients available. I have ordered them, but when it's coming, I will do it and I will mention your name. I will mention your name because most of you have write your name down and your requests. So please have patience with me. Those I have the ingredient, I will be making it. So don't feel like you requested a video first, but I have made somebody who just requested a video. No. Okay, next, please check out my second YouTube channel at Queen Mother DIY TV. Please check it out and subscribe. Okay. Also, if you have any skincare issue or problem creating your own recipe, please comment below, because every week I will choose one person and discuss their issue in my video. So please do that. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share my video, and click on the notification bell. Bye bye.
Let's go.